Hey, check this out. So this Reddit post got 95,000 views in the first 48 hours. Most of that traffic was from the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom, the most profitable traffic to get. So let me show you something else. So here we have another post that got over 100,000 views in the first 48 hours. And I know what you're thinking. It's pretty easy to get views, but it's engagement that matters. So down here we've had over 500 upvotes, an upvote ratio of 97%, 55 comments on there. Let me show you another one. This one has got less, but it's still 26,000 views in 48 hours. The number of upvotes, well, we've got 54 upvotes, an upvote ratio of 94%, and 175 comments. Let me show you another test I did. 24,000 views, 35 upvotes, upvote ratio of 82%, and 198 comments. Let me show you another one. So here we've got 65,000 views in the first 48 hours. Again, we've got high profit traffic there. The number of upvotes is 482. Upvote ratio of 95%, and then over 500 comments. So let me show you one of the ways that I'm getting this level of reach and engagement on Reddit. But let me just show you one more real quickly, because this one is pretty good as well. It's 99,000 views in the first 48 hours. Again, profitable traffic there. The number of upvotes is over 200. Upvote ratio of almost 90, 89%, and then 240 comments. So I'm testing a whole bunch of different Reddit strategies. Many of them are working fantastic. I'm going to go into this in a bit more detail in the link in the comments, or if you go to evergreentraffic.com, join in that free workshop, and I'm going to delve into this in a lot more detail. But let me just give you a quick strategy to help you get rolling with this today. So this is reddit.com. It's currently the most underrated traffic source on the planet, in my opinion. So this is one way to drive traffic from Reddit. Let's say you are in the weight loss niche, or fitness, or health, or whatever. So we're going to type in a keyword here. I'm going to type in diet weight loss plan, and then I'm going to go to posts. Oops, we've got the emoji guys popping up. There we go. So posts. Then we're going to choose relevance, keep it on relevance, and then go to where it says all time. We're going to change that to past week. So we want this fairly recent. And then what we're going to do is scroll through this list, and we're going to look for posts in any of these subreddits. A subreddit is basically a community dedicated to one niche, and we've got hundreds of them for every niche that you can think of. So what I want you to do is find posts from the last week that are relevant to the keywords here, that are, timely. And we're going to scroll through, and we're going to find posts that have a decent number of upvotes, and more importantly, a decent number of comments. So we want at least 20 comments, at least 10 to 15 upvotes, but at least 20 comments. So there's a high level of engagement. So what we're going to do is scroll through all the content, all the topics, all the discussion, and have a look for something that is relevant to us, something that you might be able to emulate or replicate. We're not going to copy. We're going to use AI. I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me distill why specific posts are working, and then we're going to create our own version. So this one could be a good starting point, but we might want to continue scrolling through to find something else. This one is doing superb. So that's a really good contender. However, I'm going to go for one a little bit more recent than 6 days ago. So let me continue scrolling. And here I found a really good one. So this is a pretty good starting point. Here we have someone talking about their desire to manifest huge weight loss. So this could be relevant to you. Let's imagine that it is. So we've got at least 10 to 15 upvotes here. We've got 30 upvotes. We've got more than 20 comments, 30 comments there. And we can see that it's a pretty active discussion. The comments are only a day ago, so we can hop on this. So what we're going to do now is head over to ChatGPT or any AI tool of choice, and we're going to ask AI to examine why this post is getting a decent level of engagement. So this is the prompt that I have used. So I've said, examine this Reddit post, and then I've pasted in the URL of the post. And I've said, break down why it is performing well. Consider factors like timing, subreddit culture, title format, emotional triggers, comment engagement, and relevance to current discussions. I've also asked the AI to identify the specific elements that made it resonate with that community. Then explain how to create a similar post that mirrors its triggers without copying it, so I can achieve a similar result in the same or related subreddit. And here, the AI has broken down a bunch of factors for me. And it's also explained what's happening and why it works. And then it's explained how to replicate thoughtfully so we can emulate the post and achieve similar results. In fact, the AI has given us tons and tons of content ideas just from a single post. So we can essentially create a content calendar just from this one prompt. And it's also gone into enormous levels of detail to teach me how to create a similar high impact post. And it's also given me a really handy example piece of content to use. But listen, I am not going to copy and paste this exact piece of content and use it. I strongly encourage you to tap into your own experiences, your own story, and add that to the post. Do not use any AI generated content without adding your own human experiences to it. However, it's given a fantastic CTA, a fantastic call to action. And if you want to take a deep dive into generating traffic from Reddit, go to evergreentraffic.com, sign up for the free workshop, and I'll take a deep dive into how to generate traffic from Reddit for free. Thanks for being here. I'll see you again soon.